Hey, what's up everybody? Parker here, and today we will be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S5. So we're going to open that up now. And just to start, you can see there already is a large screen, which is good, but increases the size of the phone, so it can be a little win, lose, lose, win. So here we go. We're just going to open that up. And there is a fingerprint scanner, but it is quite sensitive. So right now I'm just going to put in the alternative password. So here we go. We are now home, and I want to talk about kids mode. So kids mode is basically a thing that you can use to keep your kids from accidentally phoning people, using up all your data, going on games, like downloading games, I suppose. So what you can do here is you can look at movies via parental control. You can draw. You can record little voice memos. You can take some pictures here. And then there's just this place that you can view all this stuff. So we're going to be going back here, and over here they just have a little clock with a funny little alligator there. So we will be going back now, and you have to enter the PIN. And here we are back. So the next thing I want to talk about is the battery life. Right now I'm at only 38%, but that should last me about 20 to 25 minutes, which is really nice, and it only takes a little bit to charge, so that's pretty good. Next thing I want to talk about is the sensitive buttons. Now, the buttons here, there are two buttons, one here and one there. And this one brings up recent apps. It's basically two squares, and the other one just goes back, which I've been using. It is a little bit sensitive, unfortunately, but it does. You will get used to it pretty quickly, which is good. It's just a little hard to see because they only light up when you touch it. So, it's a little thing there. So the next thing I want to talk about, and I think the final thing, is the security. So we're going to be going to lock screen, and as you can see, so we're going to put in the alternative passcode. So there's the swipe, which is no security, and it's kind of cute where you can, it's like bubbles there, which is kind of cool. The next one is the pattern, and if you've seen any other Samsung phones, it's basically the same. Then there's the fingerprint, in which you scroll across the home button, and then they have the PIN, which is basically just four numbers, password, which is like, it's just a password, and then there's none, which actually just goes back to swipe. So that's about all I have to talk about here. We're gonna go and I'm gonna show you some things about the camera. So we'll go do that right now. Okay, so now that we're done the apps and all that, we're gonna check out the camera. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different modes you can use. Right now we're just going to try sensitive buttons. So right now we're going to try the action shot. So it takes a bunch of pictures in a row, and what you can do is you can flip through all of the and find the best one. Here we go. Okay, so there it is. I just flipped through all of them, and now we are going to check out the next one, which is panorama. So we're just going to start that now. and I'm going to make a panorama here. So just going to go around, going around, and here we go. So now I'm done, and what we're going to do is there's this cool little tool that you can use to make it go the way, or you can just swipe it, which is they're both pretty neat. So I think we're going to go back. Now this is a little confusing. It doesn't go straight to camera. Yeah, there's a little icon at the top of the file that says camera. So that looks like a camera, so you have to do that. So now we are going to do the hallway director, I suppose, because what you can do is you can make a navigator video here, and it'll tell you to go forward and go forward, go forward. And so I'm just gonna leave the screen there, and so I'm done, and it'll basically show you the tour, a small video almost, and it'll take you through all that. So that's well, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this was a helpful review, and you can go check out mobilenorth.ca for more.